In today's digital world, software testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about ensuring users can navigate effortlessly, systems perform under pressure, and data remains secure. Have you ever wondered what happens when you test a software system? And today, I'm Ching here. We'll take you through our comprehensive testing journey of a library management system where we can apply usability testing, performance testing, security testing, and automated testing to ensure consistent quality. I conduct a suite of tests with specialized tools for usability. I use Libna to run first click and 5 second tests and see how quickly people file call actions. I use Gmeter to run load tests and stress tests on system performance. For securities, I use a web job to discover command web vulnerabilities. And for automation, I build a keyword-driven design for robot framework to verify the function repeatedly. And this project use Django-based library management system designed from the tech-driven code base. It includes start logins and dashboard with module for book management and book transaction like issue and return book. And we run all the tests and collect the result for each area. We do first click test on edit book, add book, and issue book to verify user can locate the action quickly. 5 second test on the dashboard, view issue books, and the assignment purpose. We perform load tests on book transactions, add book, and delete book to measure normal loss performance. We also perform stress tests to find the breaking point for book transactions and add book management functions. For security, we use a web job scan across the system to check for vulnerabilities. And now we show you our automation testing in action. I will run our robot framework test suite to demonstrate how automated testing works for our library management system. And here you can see we wrote test case for each feature of the system: authentication, book management, student management, and book transaction. And I will run the authentication test to demonstrate comprehensive testing of sign up, login, and logout function. And you can see here we have several of test case: verify sign up pilot, sign up with valid data, and so on. So to run this test, we just easy to add the command of robot, and the result is where it will generate the output of the result for you, like report.html and the output. And you point to the name of the test file, and you hit the command. It will automatically open a browser, and you can see the Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. It's doing the job, and you don't need to do anything. It will run it automatically, every single test one by one. And when everything had been done, you can check for the report file to see which test had been passed and which test had been failed. And when when the browser is closed, we will know the test had been finished, and you can see it's still running, and boom, it had been closed and the test had been finished. And you can open the report file to check, and you can see here there are 3 tests failed. And to check for more detail, you can select the suite and go to the authentication test. As you can see, every detail single for each test case here. And move to our key findings and recommendation from our testing. For first click test, user file is easy to navigate to the function. For 5 second test, user identify books and libraries as main concept, but they were confused on the view issue book page. So we need improvement on page header by adding clear title on each page to help user understand what their current location. And for performance testing, the load test saw an average response time of 3.7 seconds, while stress test saw performance degrade significantly under heavy load. So we need to optimize database and queries and implement caching. And for security testing, the OWASP job scanned like found 15 vulnerabilities across the application, with critical finding that their missing content security policy header. And in conclusion, our testing highlights the importance of continuous testing throughout the development. We learned that usability, performance, security, and automation testing each review different aspects of the system quality. And these insights will guide the future improvements and ensure the library management system meet user needs effectively. And that's all about this today, and thank you for your attention.